Again and again, this is Brad Mixkai, and I have another song for you. And it goes a little something like this. Look at your back, at your side. Beware of enemy, don't be a fool, don't act like lousy. Yeah, with me, I was driving my car, hunting for the victim for my family and companion. Now will give you my everything, all the one I can do, still okay with me. If you want me to be happy, just give me fancy. Even my gold ring can make myself important with him. Disregarding all the bad doings and activity, I'm so sorry, have them face to face the sovereignty. All the best that I can do is to make money illegally, to be the best in the family and recognize officially exploration knowledge to the whole world and economy. I hope you like it, my endurance till the end of my life. In that moment, 6 and 7 heaven while I'm watching you live. See ya, all my homies, till the time we met again. Let us face the truth, my homie, through the mirrors of friends. Yo, violence is not, it is not the right solution of the answer to the question. Silence begin commotion. Right or wrong, how to deal with money maker. There's a shadow siding me, advising me to the next horizon. Violence is not, it is not the right solution of the answer to the question. Silence begin commotion. Right or wrong, how to deal with money maker. There's a shadow hiding me, advising me to the next horizon. I have no doubt you want to go out. In this crazy world for living, happiness is not enough. I know my homies, so dig a look at your face in the mirror. Many people here are looking, monopolizing others, always talk shit. He's improving left and right, upside down, and your problems always endless. Are you still asking yourself, knowing all you've done, going uses ebony and ivory together to the harmony, much better than the people lying in bed of agony? Why are there so many people always asking the question why? Are they here to live and die or just to stay a little while, man? Stay calm, just relax, stay away from guilt. It's not the worstiest thing that people might ever feel. Don't be absurd, the kind of knives to be loco. Don't you know we're on the just me. The things you can do for demons that filamente. Don't you know that here I am the one intelligente? Violence is not, it is not the right solution, no the answer to the question. Silence being commotion. Right or wrong, how to deal with money maker. There's a shadow hiding me, advising me to the next horizon. Violence is not the right solution, not the answer to the question. Right or wrong, how to deal with money maker. There's a shadows hiding me, advising me to the next horizon. So now let's go to analyze you all the bad and all the good, like showing up to all the people illegitimate proof. I am not considering what you did in the past, made me right and made me wrong, like wearing white and all black. Nobody knows why you did it, but still I would do believe it, like giving you a sympathy. What you did, you didn't mean it. Every decision that you made in every move that you have planned, there is always consequences, irrevocable common ground, healing up and other people drag you down, something legal. Have you ever been realized that your life is not cruel? Look at you now, you're so obnoxious, you're not marvelous in the strength. So don't treat me like an enemy, I'm the one that cares like a friend. All I want is to remind you, my home is not the end. Saddam Hussein was executed by the use of military's hand. But don't think your life is miserable. Believe me, there is a miracle for instance, show us repentance, and that is not unbelievable. Yeah. Di maamin ng damdamin na ngayon wala ka na sa aking piling. Balang araw ang dalangin ay mayakap kang muli at maangkin. Ngunit paano nga bang ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita ng labis. At sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama na puso ko. Mahirap na diyain ang isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad pa ako. Muling sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita, o giliw ko. Baala-ala ng kasama Mga sandaling dati, ano saya. Pinipilit, nalimutin, kahit di maamin na wala ka na. Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita ng labis. At sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain ang isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawag ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambitin, sinisigaw na sabi, mahal pa rin kita, o giliw ko.